Chocolate cookies flavored with fragrant spices, imprinted with a seasonal insignia, or drizzled with white chocolate and dusted with crushed candy canes. Question: is your holiday cookie tray in need of a new addition? If yes, then make our chocolate Christmas cookies with festive trimmings. Not only are these scrumptious 2-bite chocolate cookies really easy to make, they're also mighty tasty. And if you love decorating cookies, boy, you are gonna love this recipe. Your friends and family will love them too. Let's start by making a cookie dough. Stovetop small pan has 1 inch of water simmering within. We're gonna add a heat-proof bowl, 6 ounces of dark chocolate. We melt the chocolate. Continuing, we're doing a dry mix. 2.5 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, to which we're adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then a heaping 1/4 teaspoon each of allspice, nutmeg, ground cloves, kosher salt, and black pepper. Just to be clear, for your spices, kosher salt and pepper, we're talking about a heaping 1/4 teaspoon, which looks like this when you go to measure. Now I want to just go back quickly to that dry mix bowl. Optional ingredient, a pinch of cayenne pepper adds heat. Whisk to combine, set the dry mix to the side. Next, the wet ingredients. A large bowl, 2 sticks of butter. Notice how soft it is. Then add 1 cup of granulated sugar plus 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar packed. The recipe calls for 2 eggs. Give them a quick whisk together. Then grab your hand mixer, blend the butter with the sugars, then mix in the eggs, and then that melted chocolate. Great color and very fragrant. Now add that dry mix, little by little, mixing as you do until the dough is thoroughly incorporated. Good news, these cookies are so popular we decided to double the recipe. You're welcome. The yield on this recipe, 96 Christmas cookies coming your way. So we're gonna divide the dough in 2. We wrap each disc in wrap, then transfer to the fridge to chill for an hour. Of course, you can also freeze the dough and just defrost and bake cookies on order as needed. Let's continue now once the dough is chilled. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna line 2 baking trays with parchment paper. Standard cookie dough rollout. We flour our work surface, flour the top and underside of the disc of dough, flour your rolling pin, then roll the dough out into a 1/4 inch thickness. Then take a smallish cookie or biscuit cutter. I'm using a 1.5 inch fluted or scalloped edged one. Cut the cookies and transfer to the baking sheet. Don't worry about a little flour dusting on the raw cookies. It'll disappear when the cookies bake. Now, 2 options on how to present. For a basic chocolate Christmas cookie, I like to add an imprint of a seasonal insignia. This snowflake motif is fab. It's suddenly beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Transfer the cookies to the oven, baking for 8 minutes. Remove from the oven and immediately transfer the baked cookies to a wire rack. Cool completely, and then we get to enjoy. Now, option number 2, this is our favorite. Think of it as a gift from us to you, where we take our very beautiful cookie recipe from simple to amazing. Same start, over to the baking trays and then straight into the oven to bake for 8 minutes, then over to the wire rack to cool. But then, while those cookies are cooling, candy canes into a food processor fitted with a blade attachment, zip them up to crush. Here's your goal, little chunks of peppermint flavoring. Now to stovetop, looks familiar. Small pan has 1 inch of water simmering within. We're adding a heat-proof bowl filled with about 1.5 cups of white chocolate chips or discs. Stir thoroughly to make sure the white chocolate is melted and smooth. Then over to a piping bag fitted with a small open icing tip. I'm using a number 2. Now over to those cooled cookies, let's zigzag the white chocolate over each cookie. I usually do 5 at a time. Then I take 2 spoons, gently tap those candy cane sprinkles over each, and before you know it, you have the most amazing spiced chocolate Christmas cookies with that extra white chocolate flavoring and a hint of peppermint. Fantastically festive. Know what else is festive? The fact that the full recipe is up at weekendатthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it and check out all of our holiday baking ideas. We've got lots we know you're going to enjoy. If you like this video, we'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up, drop us comments as well. And then finally, when Christmas cookies are this fabulous, take a picture of them, share them with your family and friends, post them on your socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. It's our famous, super festive chocolate Christmas cookies with all the trimmings. What a treat! Chocolate spice cookies with peppermint flavoring, amazing. Happy baking and happy holidays. Enjoy. So good. Look at this